Social Media Etiquette for Business Owners, Do's and Don'ts, Part 2. 16. Do. Location tag other businesses. Social media is all about sharing. This means supporting favorite restaurants, businesses, and other stops while you're out and about. Be sure you add your location to your Instagram photo or Facebook status so people know where you are and, more importantly, how they can get there. This is an all-around good move to support other business owners and raise your brand awareness within the community. 17. Don't. Abuse hashtags. Adding appropriate hashtags connects your post to all other posts on that topic and with that hashtag. It's a convenient way to categorize and search content on social media networks. That said, don't turn every word in a post, or a full sentence, into a hashtag, or stuff unrelated hashtags into your post. When used correctly, hashtags will increase your online visibility and followers. When used in excess, the post looks hashtag spammy and becomes hashtag ineffective. One more hint, hashtags don't work in blog posts or emails. Using them that way makes you look unsavvy. 18. Don't. Share the exact same message again and again. Put yourself in the place of your followers. Would you want to read the same message from people or pages you follow every day? It's lazy and in poor taste to take the same social post and continue to share it over and over again on the same networks. If you want to revisit previous content, get creative with your delivery. Try rewording it or using a new image rather than reposting the same exact thing. 19. Don't. Share without researching first. Social media networks make it super easy to quickly share content from another account. With the tidal wave of content and information coming at you at all times, it's easy to forget that some of this content comes from questionable sources or even bots. Sharing content is often seen as an endorsement of that content and of the user who posted it, so be careful what you share. It could become part of your brand. Before you click share or retweet, first check out the account that shared the information to be sure you're comfortable being associated with using them as a source. Many businesses have mistakenly shared information that hadn't been properly vetted and turned out to be untrue or were shared by a business or person with a shady past. 20. Do. Share without expectations. Consistency and patience will pay off. Putting time and effort into social media doesn't mean you'll see big results right away. You might, and that's excellent. Similar to starting your business, your reach may be slow at first. Then you'll make connections, build a reputation, and develop a strategy. 21. Do. Give credit where credit is due. Stay on the right side of social media etiquette by attributing the author or photographer when you share an interesting article or a gorgeous image. Take the time to find the handle/account responsible for the original post and include it in your post. Also, be sure to thank those who mention or retweet you. You can make some great connections when you play well with others on social media. 22. Don't. Automate without thought. If you're using the same content across your social channels, and you can, take the time to change the voice of the message to match the network. Though most social media platforms feature the time-saving option of posting on multiple channels at once, steer clear of it. Take the extra time to write an original message for each social media network based on its intended purpose and audience. Tagging others in photos is a great way to introduce your business to their friends, but before you do, think through it. Are you tagging everyone you can think of because you're hoping some of them will follow you or promote your business? Or are you tagging businesses and people to create a dialogue or to highlight something you admire about them? Unexpected tagging can be a fun way to surprise and delight someone, or it could cost you friends, fans, or followers. 24. Don't. Obsess about the numbers. It's important to remember that brand awareness and growing your network is a long-term effort. We know it's easy to get caught up in the numbers game, but try not to. While having lots of followers can be good, it's quality over quantity. If you have 1,000 Twitter followers and half of them are spam accounts, your tweets are being delivered to an audience that doesn't truly exist. So stress less about your follower count and concentrate on providing engaging content for your audience. 25. Have fun. Using social media for your business doesn't mean you should stop having fun with it. Shake things up from time to time. Try live videos or interactive polls and keep your messages friendly and conversational. You'll see that you can enjoy this part of your business instead of dreading it. With the social media landscape constantly evolving, the do's and don'ts of social media etiquette for business owners will also continue to change. Staying aware of current best practices and incorporating them into your social media strategy will keep your marketing efforts fresh and your business top of mind.